This is Scott with Acretown introducing a 1.64 acre lot in Cass County, Michigan. Enjoy the tour. So at this point you might be asking, how do I buy or get more info on this? And the short answer is to go to our website at acretown.com. You'll also want to go here, see available land for sale, click on any property, and this is just an example. You should get everything you ever wanted to know about it, photos, area descriptions, property descriptions, which obviously provides key info like utilities and restrictions, all the nitty-gritty. Lots of maps, of course. Anyway, all of our research on a property is posted to these pages, but I'll just cover a few of the highlights right now. The interactive map is incredibly cool and useful, so check that out. Play around with different angles and different layers of information through this map legend here, where you can add contour lines, water features, floodplain, land uses. If you plan on visiting the property, you can do that as soon as you want, but be sure to read this section here, viewing the property. It'll help you find it, and it'll also help you actually find the property lines by using Google Earth on your phone while you're on site. Very handy tool. Now, once you have all the info you need and you're ready to buy, you do have this Buy Now feature available. Using this button will get you two great things. Number one, $500 off the asking price, and number two, it gives you a 100% refundable 24-hour window to sign our simple one-page contract while the property is reserved for you. A lot of our properties do sell this way, not only because it's simple, but more importantly because we do consistently offer market-busting deals. Now, to that point, please check out our value assurance chart to see how our price stacks up favorably to the current local market. We sell land quickly by pricing it below the market. How can we always do that? Well, the magic is in our proprietary acquisition system that finds these special deals so we can buy land at absolute rock bottom prices. In turn, of course, we pass these savings on to our customers and everybody's happy. Lastly, if you'd like to get first dibs on new inventory, and before we actually start advertising it to the general public, then you can join our free Acretown Wholesale Club to receive emails about our newly added Acretown properties that will fit your criteria. Anyway, please share or like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel because it all helps. And the stronger we become, the more land we can bring to your screen. Thanks for watching, and please reach out if you have any questions.